Two cameras, one goal, capturing perfection. On one side, Insta360 X4 with its immersive 360-degree views, ready to pull you into the scene. On the other, the DJI Osmo Pocket 3, armed with its powerful 1-inch sensor for crisp cinematic detail. But which one truly stands out? Can wide dynamic shots compete with rather sharp precision and vibrant colors? I've put both to the test in real-world condition, sunlight filtering through the trees, reflections on the water, and bustling environments. Stay tuned to see the head-to-head showdown and decide which camera deserves a spot in your gear bag. In today's video, we'll find out which of these two cameras are still the best in 2025 for street capturing or wild footage when you're hiking or when you are running. We know there are a lot of pros and cons about both cameras. I would personally reveal some of my tips and tricks that will help you to maintain those two cameras as a personal crew. While DJI Osmo Pocket 3 is providing cinematic quality shots, the Insta360 X4 can give you much more versatility about your filming, much more unique field of view, and exploring even more interesting places around you. Today I'm in Andorra. This is a natural park in Xixerella. This is so beautiful place. If you haven't been yet to Andorra, I would definitely recommend you to visit this beautiful country. Spectacular parks, views, mountains, lakes and rivers. Actually, you'll find absolutely everything here. If you like skiing, then this place is definitely for you. Walking through the vibrant streets of Andorra, I'm testing two incredible cameras to see how they handle real-world conditions. One captures an impressive 360-degree field of view, immersing you in the surroundings with dynamic perspective shifts. The other focuses on precision, offering unmatched clarity, vibrant colors, and smooth cinematic quality. Both handle motion exceptionally well, but the stabilization differs, with one excelling in dynamic environments and the other in controlled, steady shots. When it comes to detail, the larger sensor really shines, capturing intricate textures and depth, even in challenging lighting conditions. So, which style of footage stands out to you? Let me know your thoughts. With Insta360 X4, I have much wider field of view, because I know that whenever I put my camera, I am always in the focus. With DJI Osmo Pocket 3, however, I need to remember always activate the active tracking feature. Otherwise, if I move my camera too fast, it will immediately lose it. For example, now I'm standing on this beautiful bridge. Just take a look how cool it is. But still, the shots that I can get with Insta360 X4 cannot be compared with any other cameras. Standing in front of the iconic Dali's Nobility of Time sculpture in Andorra La Vella, I'm using two cameras to capture its beauty. The Insta360 X4 brings the entire scene to life, showcasing the monument, the surrounding plaza, and the bustling atmosphere all in one immersive shot. You feel like you are right here, walking around the sculpture. The DJI Osmo Pocket 3, with its sharp focus and 1-inch sensor, highlights the finer detail, the flowing curves of the clock, the intricate textures of the bronze, and the way the light plays off its polished surface. This surreal masterpiece has so much depth and character, and each camera captures a unique perspective, one wide and immersive, the other focused and detailed. Which style do you think does justice to this work of art? Even comparing filming in the wilderness, no matter where, I know the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 will always give the best quality of shots. You can rotate the gimbal into 360 and always point to yourself or what you see in front of you. With Insta360 X4 you don't need to do it, because the camera is filming automatically everything around you. Filming right over the river with the sunlight sparkling on the water ahead, both cameras bring something unique to the scene. The DJI Osmo Pocket 3 focuses on the details, the rich textures of the water, the golden glimmer of the light, and the smooth motion of the current. The Insta360 X4 captures the full beauty of the river's flow and the sunlight dancing across its surface, creating a wide, immersive view. But the best thing with Insta360 X4 is a field of view. Do anything like this, none of other cameras can do it for you except as a drone camera. As I continue through Andorra's charming streets, the camera faces new challenge, capturing the golden sunlight streaming through the trees and bouncing on the rippling river. One camera beautifully balances the highlights and shadows, preserving the natural warmth of the scene. The other focuses on dynamic range, pulling out intricate details in both the light and textures of the building nearby. Even with shifting light, both deliver impressively smooth footage, though their unique strengths becomes more apparent in these complex conditions. The question is, how does this result speak to you? Some of the advantages of Insta360 X4, of course, you can hold your camera like this on a selfie stick and just hold it right behind you, and you'll have an effect like a drone flying behind of you. As you can see, where is my camera is now, but this is what you will see on the final video. So speaking about the fogging issue, interesting that Osmo Pocket 3 is not fogging now. It is sub-zero -3 degrees Celsius now, and Insta360 X4 has not been fogging at all, even though that I'm using a protective lens. As I keep exploring the streets of Andorra, the light changes. The sun shines through the trees and reflects on the river, creating a mix of bright and shadowy spots. Insta360 X4 captures the whole scene, making you feel like you are right here. DJI Osmo Pocket 3 focuses on small details, like the textures of the walls and the gentle ripples in the water. Both handle the light in their own way, showing different strength. Which one feels closer to how you would capture at this moment? Which one of these cameras will handle the best when the sun is shining right behind me? Let's compare. Of course, DJI Osmo Pocket 3 has the much better sensor. However, the image processing on Insta360 X4 is fantastic, and even though what I can see now, it looks really cool. Comparing with Insta360 X4, but the clarity and detalization is just beautiful. Walking through the park near the white monument of children with mobile phones in Andorra, I'm capturing its message and beauty with two cameras. The Insta360 X4 offers a full immersive view of the monument, surrounded by trees and lively energy of people passing by. It feels like you are right here, taking it all in. The DJI Osmo Pocket 3 focuses on the details, the clean lines of the sculpture, the contrast against the green trees, and the subtle shadows created by the sunlight. Each camera brings a different perspective to the scene. Which one captures the moment best for you? If I would need to choose which one of these cameras I would need to use only, it would be a really tough choice. Those cameras are not competitors, they are enhancing each other, and actually using both of them you can get like real cinematic footage whenever you are. If you have a really limited budget for only one camera and you want it to be as absolutely universal camera, no matter what the weather condition, you want to be able to film yourself from above, from behind, if you don't want to worry about the camera being wet when it's raining, etc. I must say that in this case, Insta360 X4 should be your choice. If you're filming and the biggest priority for you is cinematic quality, then of course DJI Osmo Pocket 3 is the best. Let me know in the comments what do you think about those two cameras, which one would you pick and why. See you in the next one. And by the way, visit Andorra, this is a beautiful place. Bye.